Alrighty, welcome back to another how-to code video. This is the last video for the Realistic Derby project until he adds another car. Um, so we are coding the Wbody compact car today. So first things first is open paint.net, and this is completely paint.net's free if you don't have it. Then open up your template folder, which can be found in the RDP Discord if you connect your Patreon to your Discord account. So I'll link to both of those in the description. So once you do, go to Skin Templates, Wbody, w.bodyuv. I'm not going to spend too much time on making this. I'm just going to show you. Just going to create a quick paint here, and I'm going to focus more on the coding side of it. So once you got your skin to where you want it, and you're ready to save it, make sure you turn off this background layer with the wire mesh and everything, because if you have it on and save it like this, it will save like this and it will show the lines on your paint and everything. So always make sure you turn that off before you save it, and from there we will go into BeamNG repository, mods manager, and open mod folder. If you don't already have one, create an unpacked folder, just new folder, name it unpacked like I have, and then we'll write new folder in there, and you can name this to whatever you want. So I'm just doing Wbody test 2025, new folder, vehicles, new folder, Wbody, new folder, and then this one can be anything you want it to be. So we'll do Wbody test, and then click into that one. So then go back into your template folder and go back down to Wbody and copy and paste both the JSON and JBeam file into your folder that you created. After that, we'll open up the paint, save as. You can save it as a DDS or a PNG. I'll show you at the end of the video, save it as PNG, what you need to change, but for now we'll save it as a DDS. You can name it to whatever you want. Let's see, test Wbody. And make sure you save it into the correct folder as well that you want, and then finally hit save when you do that. I like to use these settings right here, the BC7, sRGB, DX11 plus, and then the medium. And then once you got that, hit OK, flatten. Then you go back into your folder and click the Wbody_skins. This skin name right here and this skin name right here needs to be test Wbody, or whatever you named your skin file needs to be exactly what that is. So we have test Wbody. So we'll test Wbody, and then the part name here will be actually what shows up in game in the parts menu. So we'll do Wbody test skin. Then after that you hit file, save. So then we open up our skin.materials, and the skin name right here, and right here need to be exactly what you named it right there. So name it test Wbody, and then copy, paste, and then this base color map line right here needs to be exactly what your folder pathing is up here, what you named your folder. So vehicles, Wbody, custom folder. That custom folder is, for me, it's going to be Wbody test. It might be different for you if you named it your folder different. And then from there, we will be going, its image name needs to be what you put up here and what's right here. It needs to be exactly that. And then we saved it as a DDS, so we don't need to change anything there. And I'll show you what to change if you save it as a PNG at the end of the video. So after that, we hit File, Save, open up BeamNG, then hit Update All Mods. You'll need to hit Update All Mods if you change folders or add a folder or add a mod. So, and you have BeamNG running. So as you can see, it finally popped up there. Then we go to Vehicles. And then we go down to Wbody. And then we choose our vehicle. So place current. There we go. And then vehicle config, paint design, and then Wbody test skin right there. And that's how you code the Wbody. And then when you're done, main menu, repository, mods manager, and packet, and that'll send it into your mods folder. Now I'll show you what to do if you want to save it as a PNG image. I'll delete the DDS, open up the paint, file save as if we're saving it for the first time, save it as a PNG, and then you're going to want to add a .color.png to the end of what you saved it as. So then file, save, make sure you save it into the correct folder, and then we open up our folder. You do not need to add a .color to these two, and the same thing for the top three up here. Do not need to add a .color. Only place you need to add a .color is the bottom base color map line. So .color.png. Then file, save, and then open BeamNG. Control R to refresh the car. And there you go. That's how you save it as PNG, and that's how you code the Wbody. So this was the last video for the RDP cars as of right now. I'll be hopefully going to start the Beam Derby BDTS trucks here sometime in the next couple weeks, and then also we'll be doing how-to skins for Mini Mania. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And I hope you have a good one.